Christmas or a big US holiday.
Okay. I have one particular question like that was I've been kind of testing it for about a week now. Remember how like we were talking about doing like reels, the ads on reels, no IGTV.
Yeah.
So I still have just the video view campaign going. And then I have like the link with the IGTV with because you have to have it in the feed as well as stories and IGTV. But like, I'm confused on how to, not necessarily confused, but I wanted to get your opinion on how you kind of see if it's going, because you see like, oh shoot, like you see like the view plays, the through plays are like, hey, where'd they go? Like are really low, right?
Yeah.
So the second one, this is just video views, no link or anything. But then this is the one with the link. So should I be really monitoring it from this cost perspective or when the link cost perspective? And then like, is that accurate? Because it's like really low on the view plays, but then when I do the math here.
Yeah. So, I mean, like your main KPI is always cost per click, but also this campaign serving a different purpose of like filling up your audience to get better cost overall.
Mm-hmm.
So like you have to be careful because if you cut this and then you see a rise in cost, it could be directly associated with lowering your cost below. But we already know those reels are doing that for you.
Mm-hmm.
So like,
because I just started the regular video views first. And then after we talked, I figured out and created the copy and resized the images so that I can go on IGTV because it only can be 15 seconds. So this one was actually running first. But then like in terms of the link clicks, it's significantly higher compared to like say this one, for example.
Yeah. So you cut that one and then see what it does to your cost over a couple of days. I mean, it's certainly much higher than the other one.
So cut the IGTV one?
Yeah.
Okay.
But first double check your, if there's any audiences you can cut as well as any ads you can cut first.
Yeah, so I did that too. And it's just like,
same thing.
I mean, no, I mean, like, so like, see right here, this was the lowest, but like this is 33%, but I shouldn't cut that, right? Because it's so many clicks, right?
Before you cut the entire audience, you can cut that one.
Which one, the 33¢?
Yeah.
But what do you mean by cut the entire audience? How do I determine which audience to cut?
Oh, well, go to your AdSense. You only have one audience, so it'd be the entire campaign you're actually cutting.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So like before you just cut it at, hey, say it's 0.22, you could actually feel comfortable with cutting the one that has a high amount of clicks at 33 cents, because if it does work out, then great, you've lowered your cost by a lot. If not, then you just cut the audience because it's not going to work.
Okay, because they're actually they're running to very similar targeting within like where you add the audience, but like does it make sense to like just cut this and then load up here where it's 15 cents too?
Yeah.
And so basically you're saying don't worry about the fact that you're getting people in IGTV.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. But click on the drop down, and then let's look at. Click on video engagement and then scroll over a little bit. Okay, actually that's perfect. So you're getting 0.001 through play. Okay. For the 3 seconds.
So it's just one that's getting link clicks because it has the link and one isn't. So I'm like, is there an advantage?
Well, certainly get the one without, cut the campaign without link click first.
Okay.
So all that VV, that campaign should just be cut first.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. That's what I was initially thinking.
Cut that ad that has the 33-cent cost, and then leave it alone for a little bit.
And you think it because they're running they might be overlapping?
Yeah, exactly. They are overlapping.
Okay, because the other thing I looked at was hold on. The other thing I looked at was like which was like crazy. where the ads were, like for the clicks and the cost. Hold on, where's the cost? It's not.
That's incredible. 80 cents for 44 link clicks.
Yeah, but like that's what I'm saying. Like, where did you hit? Is right here, right? See,
Yeah.
like 2 cent a link click. But I'm like, how do
Yeah.
I get it? There isn't a way to do this just to the IGTV.
Edit that and go to the ad set and then edit the ad.
That's what I tried, like, but it won't allow you to run it. You're talking about here, right?
Yeah.
Like, it won't allow you to only do IGTV.
Mm-hmm. You've
Like,
already
soon as you
unselected stories.
Say it again.
All right, so uncheck stories. And then scroll up. Uncheck Instagram Explorer and Instagram feed. Scroll down.
Did they just change something? Like, because at first I couldn't do that.
Try publishing. Or yeah, let's just see.
See,
all right,
this
here we go. Can only be used if either the Facebook in-stream videos or Instagram feed also selected. Okay, Facebook in-stream. Scroll up. Have you ever ran that placement before, or are you only doing
Facebook no, because I thought that was more so the feed or whatever. So you're talking about right here. Check this.
Mm-hmm.
Because like Facebook doesn't really perform well.
We know stories works. So you can uncheck in-stream and then just choose the Instagram stories.
Oh yeah. No, that's what I'm already
running. The
running.
problem's gonna be that it's still gonna deliver primarily to stories. So the alternative is like trying in-stream, and then that way you can get a lot more delivery on IG.
You mean like this with IGTV?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh. So maybe just try to publish this one right here, because I already have an ad running for stories, but I was just trying to get the cost down, like how you saw it was like 2 cents or something crazy like that.
Yeah.
Like I was trying to get that, you know, but then I was like, well, should I mess with this campaign or just try to test it on another one?
I'm pulling open the IGTV placement format.
You mean like the size and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have that. I have all of that. Correct.
All right.
It just wasn't letting me. See,
have you ever ran this? Have you ever ran it as Facebook in-stream and Instagram IGTV?
No.
All right. Well, I mean, give it a test.
Okay. But should I leave it running as is first, or just totally just scrap because it was a high cost per click and just try this?
Duplicate the audience inside the campaign and then just uncheck all those others and just leave these two checked. That way it's a clean test.
Got it. Okay. So how do I, like, should I just discard the draft not to change anything? Okay.
Discard.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so I'll try that, because you were saying, so performance, you said something like it's getting 80 cents. What do you say?
No, you spent 80 cents but got 44 clicks.
Where did you see that? Okay.
It was on the ads level.
Oh.
All right, 81 cent right there for IGTV.
Yeah.
Then scroll over. And then
I need to do engagement, right?
45 clicks for 2 cents.
Jeez. That's crazy. Okay. That makes sense. I'll try that, because I was trying to get your opinion on this. And then you're saying just cut off the video views one as well too. And then probably, okay, I got it.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try that, because I was like, man, this is amazing cost. How do I get the other ones down? But I'll see what you said and try that and see if it works as a different ad set.
Cool.
All right, thanks, man.